Greetings from Dr. Peter McLuhan, Director of Homeschool Plus. I'm standing next to our recently refurbished playground. I'm here to invite you to open house on March the 23rd. That is Sunday afternoon. The doors are going to open at 3, although the program doesn't begin till 3:55. The reason we're opening at 3 is so that you could take advantage of the enrollment table. You can get ahead of the crowd by registering for HSP and enrolling in classes. Miss Sherry Yates will be there. Miss Lisa Weber will be there. For dads and for students, there's going to be robotic soccer in room 102. Miss Donna Cuzio is going to have her equipment there, and you'll have a chance to play robotic soccer while enrolling is going on. The official program begins at 3:55. Students will have performing arts. We'll see a montage of what students have said about Homeschool Plus. Ms. Aiken's going to give an overview of the switch to Bob Jones University curriculum and the advantages we feel that making this switch will have for parents and students. It's going to be a wonderful afternoon. After that, we'll have an opportunity to visit with teachers, go in classrooms, and see all the things that are going on at the school. We invite you into our cafeteria to take a selfie. There'll be a lot of hospitality going on in there. If you'd like to bring a plate of finger food to share, we'd love to add that to what Homeschool Plus is providing: fresh cookies, coffee, and lemonade. It's going to be a wonderful afternoon. So we'll keep registration open until the last person enrolls for our 25-26 year. Looking forward to a wonderful night. If for any reason you can't make it, it will be streamed live on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel, Homeschool Plus. So we invite you to come out. Now, isn't this a wonderful playground? We'd love to continue the refurbishing by adding the little blue rubber chips, the pieces of rubber that make it safe for our students to play and to fall when they do and not to be hurt. Then we want to add some mulch to the outside eating area on the other side of the church, outside of the cafeteria. If you'd like to help us with these two things, it'd be wonderful. You make a gift towards that, invest in the children. So come out and enjoy. Open house this Sunday afternoon, doors open at 3. We're expecting a crowd. If you see parking in the lawn in the front of the church, you're welcome to drive out so you can park on the lawn. We welcome you. Bring a friend with you to enjoy Homeschool Plus. Our team has put together a wonderful program. Look forward to seeing you.